Hello student, let's try to understand a problem. Give a brief outline of transport system in human student. So if you talk about the transport system in human student, so the transport system, also known as circulatory system, is the group of organ, tissue and cell that help transport of nutrients, gases, hormones and waste product throughout the body. The main component of this system are circulatory medium, blood and lymph, blood vessels, arteries, vein and capillaries, heart pumping organ. So what are the points are there, student, that you see? First one is circulatory medium is what is there, blood and lymph is there. Blood vessel is there, what are there, arteries, vein and capillaries. Heart is there, this is the pumping organ, student, right? Now see the circulatory medium. Blood is the mobile red watery fluid that follows through the blood vessels. It is the red due to the presence of pigment called hemoglobin. Blood comprises 55% plasma and 45% blood cells, RBC, WBC, platelets. An average person usually has about 5.5 liter of blood in the body. Lymph is the pale yellow or colorless fluid that resembles the blood except that they lack red blood corpuscles and platelets. The composition of lymph may vary, however, about 95% of the lymph is what, student? Usually water, and 6% dissolved substance like protein, salts and large number of white blood cells. So this is the composition of lymph. Blood vessels. Blood vessels are hollow tube-like structure that carry the blood and form all body part. They are mainly three types of blood vessels are found, student. What are the three types of blood vessels there, student? The first one is arteries, student. These blood vessels are mainly responsible for carrying blood away from the heart. They usually carry oxygenated blood with the higher oxygen saturation. Only exception being the pulmonary arteries, which carry deoxygenated blood. Second one is vein. These blood vessels are slightly thinner than arteries and carry blood to the heart. They usually carry deoxygenated blood with the low saturation oxygen. Only exception being the pulmonary vein, which carry oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart. This is there. Now the last one is capillaries. Okay, so capillaries are fine branching blood vessel forming a network between the arteries and the veins. Now we are going for the heart. Now see the heart, student. The heart is the muscular organ of the body whose primary function is to pump blood throughout the body with the help of the blood vessels. It is the main pumping organ. The human heart is of four chambers. There are two upper chambers called the arteria auricles, responsible for pumping blood into the respective ventricles. They are the two lower chambers called ventricles. The right ventricles pump deoxygenated blood to the pulmonary arteries, student, which carry to the lungs. The left ventricle pumps oxygenated blood to the aorta, which carries it throughout the body. The human heart is covered with the double membrane called the pericardium. The heart wall comprises three layers: epicardium, myocardium and endocardium. So these are there. So this is the circulatory system in human.